NNF Esquire Ltd, is at the forefront of producing cutting-edge teaching and learning materials for schools in Ghana. We have available excellent storybooks, readers and textbooks for all ages and backgrounds. Local readers, Jaws readers, traditional Ladybird series, modern Ladybird readers, Penguin readers, African Writers series, Junior African Writers series, Montessori books, primary textbooks, GES, kindergarten textbooks, GES, Edexcel textbooks, ELT textbooks, and tertiary textbooks. Now, let me take you through each category. Our local readers bring the Ghanaian and African culture to life for the children. Let's look at some exhibits. And many more you can choose from. The Jaws series is a universally acknowledged reading scheme that provides an even wider African reading perspective to teaching and learning of English. We have these, and many more. The Ladybird series gives a universal worldview and reading experience. We have the traditional Ladybird series like Keywords Readers, Favorite Tales, and Read It Yourself. We also have the modern Ladybird readers, dealing with topical issues of interest and concern in the 21st century. This includes grammar workbooks, 1 to 6, activity books, for different levels, as well as readers for different levels. The famous African Writers series provide a wide range of novels by award-winning African writers like Chinua Achebe, Buchi Emecheta, Peter Abrahams, Steve Jacobs, and others. Our Montessori workbooks are the favorite teaching and learning materials for nursery and kindergarten schools. These includes environmental studies, numeracy skills, writing skills, literacy skills, and natural science. We have produced several textbooks for the local curriculum, starting books for kindergarten, and star books for primary. Several new titles are in the works for the new GES NaCCA curriculum. These are the Essential series, prepared for primary and kindergarten. NNF has a wide range of Pearson UK curriculum textbooks, from Edexcel through ELT to Tertiary. Now, let's listen to what teachers are saying about our publications.
Hello viewers, I am Faustina Sem, a staff of Prime Academy, which uses NNF Montessori Books as part of our teacher and learner resources. We use Montessori literacy skills, writing skills, numeracy skills, and environmental studies. We use NNF Montessori books because they are filled with a variety of activities with different types of questions, web examples, and colorful pictures to support learning by enabling learners to have a visualized understanding of the lesson being taught. NNF Montessori books have enabled our learners to be able to form simple words and read simple sentences It has enabled them to be able to recite the multiplication times table fluently, and it has also improved upon their handwriting skills.
Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca from Cape Coast, Ghana. I'm a teacher at Summerfield Academy and supervisor as well. Actually, we wanted to change from teacher-centered to learner-centered, and upon consultations from some educationalists, we learned that Montessori books are the best for the kids because it enhances their literacy and numeracy skills. So we adopted the NNF Montessori books. That has helped us a lot, both teachers and the learners. It has made teaching easier for us. So I recommend the same books for every school and the children. NNF book, they are the best.